Hello, you awesome gamers that content Jack Gamer here. And today I'm doing a vlog. Me and my mom, say hi. Me and my mom are at the train station. We're waiting for a train. Come in 15 minutes. We're going to the baseball game, Arizona versus what mom?
The Padres.
Oh, the Padres, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. I got me some nerds. My mom got me some. My mom got a hat. And anyways, so we're gonna be going on a train to the baseball game. It's gonna be really fun. And after that, I'm gonna make a vlog of me going to the store and getting myself a Five Nights at Freddy's plushie. One of a kind.
Really, Leo? Oh, okay. We'll see about that.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
We'll see about that. Probably. You can't even hear me, right? Okay. So this is what it looks like now. So like, there's the tracks. Oh, we're still waiting. There's the tracks, and okay. Too far. And
Oh my God, there's a plane. Look, it's landing.
oh, it won't be long until it's. What am I singing? That's one loud plane. So, Mom, are you really excited?
I'm very excited.
Yeah, we got our tickets in there. I got those tickets from signing the sheet of paper that my mom signed, of course.
Diamondbacks tickets.
I was the last one to get the tickets at school, and it was real. I was so lucky.
Super lucky.
Super. And yeah, there's like no tomorrow.
Top priority is your safety. Contact your rail operator, air inspector, or call 911 if you see something suspicious.
What?
Says if you see something suspicious, call 911.
I see something suspicious in the woods. Oh my God, that's not even the
Leo,
woods.
there's no woods. There's just Cala Verde trees. It's not really woods.
It's the tree is wiggling. That's probably just the wind. Mom, are you super excited?
I'm very excited. I haven't been to a Diamondbacks game since we saw the Yankees like 3 years ago.
Oh. Oh yeah. I forgot about the Yankees, huh?
I know.
We saw it 3 years ago. So we got our tickets in our
Maybe 10 more minutes, I think. The train's
trusty little
gonna come.
backpack.
No, the train's gonna come at 6 p.m. Oh snap, it's 6 p.m. right now.
Yeah, the train is.
Wait, no, that's the actual time. It's not coming at 6 p.m. Never mind.
So it's gonna be. We got our trusty tickets in there. Mom, what do you have to say about the baseball game?
I think the Diamondbacks are gonna win.
Eastbound train is arriving in approximately 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, guys. So like, I guess I want to get frappuccino from
You're not getting a frappuccino.
Starbucks.
We definitely don't have time to do that.
Zoom into
No
your
time for frappuccino.
zoom into your face.
Stop zooming on my face. I'm not even wearing makeup.
I know. That's what makes it so funny.
Oh, really? 'Cause
So-
I'm ugly? I'm hideous.
So like, it's gonna be real fun. I can't wait. Oh no. Where's my shoe? Oh, there. I was just getting out. I wish we could have brought it down. We should get. But you
Yeah, I
guys.
couldn't bring Meep. I don't think we can bring Meep inside the stadium.
Yeah, we can. Guys, I have like one wacky hairdo. Mom, point the camera at my hair.
Okay.
I have one wacky hairdo right here. It's not wacky, I just didn't do my hair.
You never do your hair. When is the last time you did your hair, honestly?
Thursday?
Probably the last time I did my hair. Leo,
Get out of my face! I'm just waiting for the train, really.
look, I think these guys are going to the game too.
Oh, those people?
Yeah, those peeps right there.
There. You see the cars rolling. We be rolling. We be riding. We be catching someone and yeah. Oh, the train's
here's
here.
the train, yay!
The train's here.
Let's get ready, babe. Get up.
Okay. The train. I can't. Oh my God.
What stop is this?
Oh God.
Stop recording.
Bye.